Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can cook modular street foods easier and quicker in Heartopia. So to do that, basically you are going to want to stack your stove together like this. And I will show you how to do that. So we are going to go to the build mode. By the way, it looks like one, but there's actually three there. So we are going to stack them together. It's pretty much the same as, it's similar to the video I did a few weeks ago, but this is just a little bit easier for me. And it could also be really easy for you guys. Anyways, as you can see, there are three of the brick serving carts. So we are going to actually select this one. We're going to glitch this one. So we're going to see where it's at, okay? Then we're going to place it out of bounds. Press the check mark button a long time and double click. Well, click it until it glitches, okay? It takes a while. If you're on your phone, you need to press those two buttons at the same time. It does work on your phone, but this is how you do it on like PC. Then you're going to want to place this one. And then you're going to also click this, and we're going to also glitch that. Oh my gosh, it's so difficult sometimes. Again, place it out of bounds. There we go. Then we're going to just place this one in the middle. Press complete, and you'll have the brick serving carts stacked up together. So we will see what it looks like. You can do more than three, but it's a little bit hard to cook more than like three in my opinion. So here I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, let's do, oh my gosh, why are the foods loading? Okay, there we go. Let's do the pineapple verbena pie. And as you can see, I can cook it all at once. But make sure you wait until everything is finished cooking, and then you'll be able to take them all out. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!